Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Archero 2 not working. If your Archero 2 game isn't working, there are several steps you can try to fix it. First, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Next, go to the Play Store and ensure your game is updated. If it already shows the latest version, you're good. Rebooting your phone often resolves minor glitches. So try holding the power button and selecting Restart. If that doesn't work, head to your device's settings, go to the Apps section, find Archero 2, clear the cache, and ensure the game has all necessary permissions. Also, check your date and time settings, making sure they're set to network provided time. Finally, if none of the solutions work, you can reinstall the game. But be cautious. Make sure you know your account details or linked email to avoid losing progress. Following the steps should help you get your game running smoothly again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.